Okay, this is the Arapaho belt. It has an NFPA attachment point for bailout, for escape, or ladder. Could be on here, or even the strap is certified as a ladder strap, so you can connect a ladder hook to that. This adjuster is important that these two are on your hip line. So you adjust, move this back and forth to where this is on both your hips, your hip bones. That adjusts the A-frame to fit your size. There's a little elastic keeper here, a little Nomex keeper that basically keeps the excess of it, like that, keeps it low and flat. There's a little keeper here for your ladder hook that would hook to here, and you throw it into here, and this would go here. Right now, I'm gonna just set this right now, but this keeper here is just to take care of your tail. You can use the loops on your turnouts if you want. Okay, it's ambidextrous, so it doesn't matter which way you go with it. You can either do either side on this one here. All right, we're going to talk about the Arapaho Escape Belt Ladder Belt and how to make it into a Class 2 harness. I'm going to show here the left side. It can be right side, which is just flip this around, but we're going to do a left-sided for the bailouts on your left side. So undo your straps. The most important part is that this label is down, simulating that the table is your thigh on your pant or anything like that. So label down. Pass this through. And pass it through the other side of the adjuster that you set to where these are both on your hips. Okay. Same here. And what you want to see is the lettering here. So the buckle's up, this is down. This side here, same thing, labeled down. Very important. Pass it through there. Okay, so we're going to put it on, put the back side of your turnouts up, and then open up the Velcro closures. You may need to adjust the Velcro afterwards. Okay, after this, have that there like this. You've rotated up. Bring your flap over, and these Velcro closures are going to go on the inside of the loop. This one can go depending on what you're doing right here, or it can go on the inside depending on where you want it centered. This here connects to here, and you have your closure. Front belt loop, it's going to come pass through this way. Okay, so I'm going to start from here. Okay, now I take this and I'm going to turn it over. And we're going for interior. I got to take this apart. Okay, undo the two snaps here just to get into where the holes are here. So on this, unsnap the buckles on the side here. Locate the two slits here. Label down. Find the end. So we pass it through the two slits here. Pass it through the crotch loops on the inside here. And then back through the liner slit here in the front. So this should wrap the whole around the leg of the liner. Close your shell off. All right, so labels here, they seam up, but it's not, because it's going to lay against the thigh. This is for an internal rear pull. So we open this up. Like label towards the body, find the end, pass it through the front. Inside around the interior thigh, through the belt loop, and back through the second slit here. Now the buckles has to have the letters up, and you can see how it folds here. Once again, make sure it's biting when you pull on that. Snap this back together. Keep the other side, open this up. 2 snaps. Label against the thigh through the front loop. Basically like that. Between the thigh and the inside, through the loop that's sewn in, around the thigh, and now to the back slit, which is over here. Tell you what, this side's a lot easier. Pass it through. Take the buckle, letters up. And check and see if you're biting, just to make sure letters up. Then snap pants back together. And with that, that is the Arapaho escape belt, ladder belt, class 2 harness.